Hey everyone! Handheld gaming consoles are indeed making a strong comeback, offering gamers the convenience of portable gaming without compromising on performance. With brands like Asus, Steam, and Lenovo competing fiercely, consumers are getting more options and better value for their money. The Asus Ally, Steam Deck, and Lenovo Legion Go are at the forefront of this competition. Each of these consoles brings unique features and capabilities to the table. The market dynamics are driving innovation and competitive pricing, ultimately benefiting the consumers. Lenovo, in particular, seems poised to make a significant move in the handheld gaming segment with its rumored Lenovo Legion Go Lite. This new console is expected to cater to budget-conscious gamers, offering a more affordable alternative to its flagship Legion Go model. One of the key changes anticipated in the Legion Go Lite is a smaller display size compared to its predecessor. While the Legion Go boasts an impressive 8.8-inch screen, the Lite version might opt for a more compact 7-inch display. This reduction not only makes the console lighter, but also enhances its portability, a crucial factor for gamers on the go. Another potential change is the removal of detachable joysticks, following a design akin to the Nintendo Switch Lite. This move could further reduce manufacturing costs, making the Legion Go Lite an attractive option for price-sensitive consumers. In terms of performance, the Legion Go Lite is rumored to feature an AMD Z1 chipset, possibly a variant from the Z1 range, with some optimization. This strategy mirrors the approach seen with the Ally, offering slightly different performance tiers to cater to varying consumer needs and budgets. By introducing the Legion Go Lite, Lenovo aims to capture a broader market segment and compete more effectively against its rivals. The growing demand for portable gaming solutions, coupled with affordable pricing, makes the Lite version a promising addition to Lenovo's gaming console lineup. As we await official updates and details about the Lenovo Legion Go Lite, it's clear that the handheld gaming console market is heating up with competition, ultimately benefiting gamers with more choices and value-packed offerings. What do you think about the new gaming console? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and God bless you.